This video will show how to replace thermostat by using our easy modular design. For replacing the Lotto devices or our touch and our smart, as they use the same power supply system, it is fairly easy. So on the bottom of the device, there's the easy snap off that can be used to dislocate the front cover. Then there's the snaps internally here. It can be pulled off by hand. It can also be worked off with a screwdriver to ensure that we don't harm anything or don't hurt anything. So very easily dismountable. That means that the core of the thermostat is now here, the frame is here. Of course, we can now replace the frame as well. So this was a DEVI Basic, as can also clearly be identified by the dial here. And we want to upgrade to a DEVI Room. We could upgrade to a DEVI Touch, we could upgrade to a DEVI Smart, we could upgrade from a DEVI Smart to a DEVI Basic or a DEVI Room, however we wish to do it. Then this one can now be set on and be fixed onto the power supply. And we're back up and running.